I don't speak English, but I want my message to reach as many people as possible. That's why this voice is synthetic, created with AI, but everything you'll hear is my real story, real experience, real survival. Ep.5, Personal First Aid Kit, Medications. I'm not a doctor, and I won't give you medical advice. Medications are a personal matter. Everyone has different conditions, different needs. I'm just sharing my experience. It's up to you to decide what you need to have. I had 2 kits, small, personal first aid kit. It was always with me, in my backpack. Pills for stomach issues, fever reducers, painkillers, wound disinfectant, antibiotics, I won't name them, depends on the person. Water purification, tablets, a few packs, band-aids, scissors, tourniquet, condoms, emergency thermal blanket, large family first aid kit, stored with the main luggage, bandages and dressings, children's cough syrup, painkillers for adults, various types of band-aids, thermometer, especially for kids. If you have elderly family members, a blood pressure monitor. I asked my wife to pack the kit, and I was shocked. It was nearly a separate suitcase, but it was with us, and that gave us a sense of security. Important, know your conditions. Consult your doctor before buying anything. Check expiration dates regularly. Refresh your supplies when needed. Tip, subscribe to YouTube channels about tactical medicine. Watch basic first aid tutorials. Even a few videos can save a life. Remember, in the first days of war, hospitals are overwhelmed. Wounded soldiers are the priority. Civilians with minor injuries have to wait or may not be treated at all. Plan, improve. A first aid kit is not just in case. It's a personal chance to survive. Always be ready. After this, my walk in the forest. I added it because YouTube prefers longer videos and shares them more. Stay with me a bit longer and just reflect on everything you've just heard. You need to have a plan. Support this project. If this information was helpful and you'd like to say thank you, here are a few ways to do it. Subscribe to the channel, share this video with friends,